Tired of fish odor? Let's fix it fast. First, the lemon and water soak. Squeeze fresh lemon juice over the fish, then submerge it in water. This helps neutralize the odor. Next, the milk soak technique. Submerge the fish in milk for about a minute. The proteins in milk bind with the odor molecules. Our third method is the baking soda scrub. Create a paste with baking soda and water, then, just gently scrub the fish. Rinse thoroughly. And hey, make sure all the baking soda is rinsed off. Fourth, the parsley and vinegar rinse. Rinse the fish with a mixture of chopped parsley and vinegar. Parsley and vinegar are honestly great for neutralizing odors. And remember, use white vinegar to avoid discoloration. Lastly, let's talk freezing tips to prevent odor. Properly wrap fish before freezing to prevent odor from developing. This, keeps the fish fresh and odor-free. And don't forget, use airtight containers. With Watch and Know everything. Hit the bell icon to subscribe.